Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some cleaning motivation. We're going to be making our Christmas menu along with baking some cookies with my daughter and getting some Christmas present wrapping done. So I hope you guys are ready for all of that, and go ahead and pop me up on your device if you have some stuff you have to do around your house and we can do it together. So this video was filmed over the weekend and we went ahead and got some cleaning done downstairs. I needed to do some deep cleaning, like cleaning the microwave, steam mopping the floors and all of that good stuff. I just want my house ready for Christmas. We've been really busy around here. We went to Great Wolf Lodge for a couple of days, which was really fun because it was like their winter edition. Like they did a bunch of winter and holiday festivities. And then a lot of you guys know I have been working out of the house as an esthetician. I got back into my field and I've been loving it. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably see me post a lot about it. So that has definitely been keeping me busy as well. So another thing I have been busy with the last couple months is my fitness routine and my fitness journey, getting back into focusing on my health before the new year. You know, I wanted to kind of start before then, so then when the new year comes, I'm really ready and in a routine, and not only focusing on getting back in shape, but also helping with my mental health, anxiety, getting all of those endorphins and all of that. And one of the things that have been helping me is Katie Satilli's new fitness channel. This is a longtime friend of mine. You guys have probably seen me collab with her in the past on her other YouTube channels. Well, she has her new one, the Katie Satilli Fitness Journey, where she is sharing motivation, tips, what she eats in the day as a mom trying to lose weight. So that's been very motivating for me to watch, and then just hearing her on her stories and showing up on her TikTok, focusing on her health and weight loss journey. So not only is her channel focused on helping other moms with their fitness or health journey, but she also shares routine videos, Sunday resets, lifestyle content. I'm really excited to be collabing with her today, so I encourage you to check out her channel and let her know that I sent you.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for.
So right now I'm cleaning my air fryer. We use this here and there. We used to use it a lot, but not currently. Let me know what one of your favorite things to cook with is. Is it an air fryer, an Instant Pot, or a crock pot? I think it's so fun to hear some of your guys' interests or your routines or things that you cook with in your house.
I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love,
feel like this year more than ever, I have more understanding for those who struggle during the holiday season after losing a loved one in the past, someone special to them, or the same year. As a lot of you know, I lost my grandfather earlier this year, and it definitely stings and it hits you that they're not here. And this is like the first holiday season that they're gone. Obviously, the last few years I've been here in Arizona, so we haven't got to spend time during the holidays, but I still got that phone call or like a Christmas card. So it makes it really hard to know it's like the first holiday he's not here, especially for my mother and my aunt. I feel for them. I'm thinking and praying for all of you guys that have lost a loved one this past year, or even in the past, and the holidays are hard for you without that special person in your life. So I pray that you're doing okay, and I am sending you all of my love.
Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most.
So now we're gonna go ahead and clean the floors. We are vacuuming the rugs. I'm gonna move those rugs out of the way, and then we'll go ahead and vacuum the floors. Next, I am going to steam mop. I love steam mopping my floors. I feel like it just does a much better job than my regular like mop-in product, which I know that is super effective as well, but for some reason, I just feel like that steam and disinfecting does such a good job. It just makes me feel like the floors are cleaner than usual. So I'm using a steamer that I actually worked with this company a while back, and I'm so glad I did. I'm so thankful because I really love this steamer. Obviously, it has a cord, so if it was cordless, it'd be nicer, but for the cost of the steamer and how it works, the effectiveness, and then also the fact that it's a 2-in-1, it has the handheld steamer with different attachments, so you can like steam your clothes, you can steam your toilet, you can do so much with it. I do have a link that I keep in my description box. If you are ever looking for a steam mop, it will be down there. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my Christmas dinner menu. I was also discussing it with my mom at the time. So we decided we're gonna have a honey baked ham, make some mashed potatoes, deviled eggs, stuffing. I'm gonna make a green bean casserole, some rolls. We're also going to have an apple pie for dessert. And then I wanted to make a Christmas wreath charcuterie. So go ahead and comment down below and let us know what you're going to be making for your Christmas Eve or Christmas Day dinner. I know those different ideas can help all of us. So now we're gonna go ahead and bake some cookies. I have my little helper here. This is my 7-year-old daughter. If you are new here, her name is Ava, and sometimes she'll pop in a video here and there. And we are baking some white chocolate chip Christmas cookies. We actually found this recipe on Pinterest. So I have the recipe right here, and I am going to link it in the description box because I know sometimes I forget, but I got you guys. I will not forget this time. And we're gonna go ahead and start baking. So in the recipe, it says to bake for 11 minutes, but we went ahead and added an extra 10 minutes. We just felt like it was too soft and we wanted to keep it chewy, but not that chewy, not that soft. So we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping some Christmas presents. This is something that I have been meaning to do over the last few days, and we're finally doing it. So we're gonna get that done. These presents are from family so that were sent to us, and then the rest of the Christmas presents that Santa brings will come on Christmas Eve.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I get it happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Wanted to end things just like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to your bed?
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you. I hope you got some cleaning motivation and enjoyed this Christmas prep video. Don't forget to check out Katie Satili's channel. I'll have her link down below. Make sure to comment and say hi so I know that you are here. If you are new, welcome to the channel. I hope you will stay and subscribe, and I will see all of you guys in the next one.